right, folks.
Right on into the elevator.
Follow that gentleman right there. Your tour guide is Joe. Say hi to Joe.
댐 안에 터널을 지나고 있습니다.
Now you're in a diversion tunnel as far as the eye can see, left and right, and you're inside one, even though you're in here. Now on the map, you're right here at the inner diversion tunnel on the Nevada side, right there. Now to get the water in the diversion tunnel, they built what's called a upper Hoover Dam, upstream. The upstream Hoover Dam is 100 feet high, and when the water hit that, it definitely went into the diversion tunnels.
전기 발전하는 제너레이터입니다.
Plenty of room, folks. All the way in, plenty of room.
세플로 하나 이건 오픈해놨네요.
All right now, ladies and gentlemen, I'll tell you everything that you see.
후보댐 터널을 들어가고 있습니다. 토마토향기입니다.
So here we are in the ventilation tunnel. We will be going down there in a moment.
공기 통하는 벤틸레이션 터널입니다. 벤틸레이션 터널에서 바라보는 바깥 모습입니다.
About 70 feet to the next horizontal tunnel. Between two of the blocks. The reason for the strain gauge here at the joint, they wanted to be sure that these blocks are not shifting around after they've been poured. You don't want the blocks moving around. So how would you know? Well, one way you would know is to take a look at the strain gauge. It's very simple, but it's effective. You have a bolt in this block here and a bolt in this block here. As long as those two bolts stay lined up across the joint like you see them right now, everything's fine. And Hoover Dam was designed, I think I said this earlier, Hoover Dam was designed to last at least 2,500 years. So over the next 2,500 years or so, those two bolts just stay exactly where they are right now. Hoover Dam's 726 feet tall, and you just have to go 20 feet to the top from here. So hopefully you're in good enough shape. Anybody want to try it?
On this side or the...
Well, just because I want you to know you're not in Nevada.
이머전시 계단입니다.
Yes, it's not a big deal. It's just that a lot of people don't. When they get inside the dam, they sort of lose where they are.
이머전시 엘리베이터 작동 안 할 때 쓰는 이머전시 계단입니다. 후보댐 안에.